Awesome. So let's go ahead and move on to your unit for this year. So I know you're still on Ancient Sumer, Mesopotamia. What is your essential question?
All right. So for this unit, it is what is needed in order to have a successful civilization.
Awesome. Any skill prerequisites or gaps that we need to focus on?
So like annotation skills, any type of reading skills that they're learning. Inference skills, being able to infer based looking at pictures, because I do a lot of picture activities. And then the writing, because I'm gonna start. So I'm having them fill out a graphic organizer right now to prep for a compare and contrast essay that they're gonna do with Egypt. So they're pulling in. I guess this is another skill. They needed to learn how to pull out evidence from like different texts. So like what I've been doing is like I give them about 10 minutes to work in groups to look past, like I give them assigned pages. I'm like, you need to pull out so many key facts under geography, under religion, under social classes, and then they have to put the name of the page number.
Okay, awesome. What type of differentiated instruction are you doing next week?
Let's see. I'll probably be doing stations.
Okay. And
just, I guess, pooling for small groups when I do, like, it's like whole group, like they have a thing, and I'll probably pull small groups to review the concepts before I move on to.
I know you also mentioned we're pre-teaching some of the concepts during lunch.
And after school. So
after school, I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat the directions to them. I'm going to repeat a lot for you, and I believe Fuwad was also starting a new unit, so I'm going to have to hold the small groups for that. So pre-teaching, re-teaching, and then you're modeling your content presentation. Did they fix your projector? No?
No, it's not going to be fixed till like Tuesday.
So what are you going to do?
I've just been writing everything on the board.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
It works actually, it's not like it's too late.
I know.
So part of me actually, I like it because I have more space. So it takes, I don't know, it's different. I think it slows me down too because I talk fast a lot. Yeah. So writing on the board, they told me this during student teacher to write more on the board so that like, but then it's easier to just put it on the doc, so it's hard.
I don't know, I saw Hector liking it when I was in your
competition. The board?
Yeah. He was like, ooh, I can see it now.
Yeah.
And I was like, what does that mean? It was when you were doing the table of contents. That's what it was. And I said, what's the difference? I said, it's like this much bigger. And he was like, but it's in color. And I said, okay. So it was funny. I mean, Hector's funny. All right, so if we take a look at the schedule for next week, we have 3 lessons. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Lesson 1 will be 90 minutes, Lesson 2 will be 70 minutes, and Lesson 3 will be 40 minutes. Run me through your lessons. Let's start with Lesson 1.
Okay. For Lesson 1, I want to do like reading stations based on like what we've talked about and working with annotation skills. So
are we starting with the do now?
Oh yeah, do now, Mad Minute. I'll probably do it. My thing is broken, so then I'll probably do a picture challenge.
Okay. So do now, Mad Minute, picture challenge, and then we're gonna head straight into the reading stations.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the reading stations will be focusing on like social classes.
Yeah, social classes, religion, government, geography.
Great. Okay. Lesson 2 will be 70 minutes. How are you starting it?
All right. That's actually what I was going to ask you about. So I'm going to have the presentations and the posters that they're going to do. They didn't get time to present them.
Okay.
So it's some of them. It's one of those like the rap battle. I really want them to present it. And then there's some like posters. I don't know. It's like, do I hold them like kind of like do all the posters, or do I do like who wants to, or just because of time and stuff? What do you think?
So what else do you have planned for?
So they're going to be learning about the inventions and like achievements of Sumer. So there's going to be a brain pop video, and then this was what I was going to ask you. Last year, I've done a lot of ads already, so I want to change it up. Like irrigation ad, ice age ad. So I want to see maybe something else I can do. Last year I had them do like an ad of all the things that they'd like to purchase, like at a store, like a catalog kind of thing. But I think I want to change it up because I've done. I mean, the kids have liked it in the past, but I don't know if it's like too repetitive from what I've been doing.
I think the ads that you have been doing, though, have been focused just on one specific thing. I mean, you can even talk to Rubalcaba about what unit she's going into next. I haven't met with her yet. Yeah. Or I can talk to her and then talk to you about it. But I was wondering if we can do some, like, cross-curricular connections. So if you had them do, like, a weekly ad, right? Yeah. If you brought in, like, a target ad